Hey, Dave here, so welcome to the VR Tech channel. So I was actually working on a different video on an XDAL 8K, such a different beast when it comes to VR headsets, but well, something came out, a new update for the Oculus Quest 2. v32 just got released and is starting to roll out right now. And well, we started to do this thing of covering every update for the Oculus Quest 2 to keep you informed, and well, this is a new one, so here we are. So as always, when I'm gonna get the file, I'm gonna update it in the manual guide to update the Oculus Quest 2 that you can find over here. And at the same time, well, today is such an important day because the Oculus Quest 2 just got released again, but this time the 128GB version. So that means that we have double the storage at the same price of $299 in the US and $349 in Europe. That's pretty nice indeed. So if you're waiting for a more storage option and lesser price to actually jump in VR, well, this is a best ticket to get. Instead, if you want to just to win it, well, I remind you that we're doing a giveaway for the 100K special. We're giving away one Oculus Quest 2 each month till the end of the year. And from this month, it's going to start to be the 128GB version. So very nice indeed. The link is going to be in the description below. So check it out. You just have to be a subscriber. If you want more possibilities to win, well, you can follow on Instagram, Twitter, and also Facebook. And well, you're going to get easier to get. But yeah, let's get to the update, right? Let's do it. So first of all, they start celebrating this update at v32 with the fact that a year ago they started to open to App Lab. Well, it's already been a year and it's absolutely crazy. And now there are even more apps on App Labs than on the regular store. This is kind of impressive. So if you don't know what App Lab is, well, you can find it on the browser. Unfortunately, it's still not in the store directly, but there are more experimental games or applications that you can download on your Oculus Quest. Sometimes are for free, sometimes you have to pay for them, and some are very, very nice. Lately, just Wildlands arrived to the App Lab store, and it's crazy that Wildlands, one of the first games ever on the Oculus Rift, is not on the original store, but hopefully that means that we're gonna get Wildlands 2 on the Oculus Quest store. That would be absolutely fantastic because I'm in love with that game completely. But let's get to the important stuff, shall we? So with v32, we're gonna have an improved Move app for your workout applications. We're gonna have easier gifting, a new improved messaging system, and also the ability to sync your media with your phone. So let's start with the Move update. So if you don't know, Oculus Move is that application that lets you track how active you are with the headset and how many calories you're actually burning while playing. It's integrated in applications like Supernatural, Pistol Whip, etc., etc. But Oculus Move was kind of making you work out pretty much every day. So, well, what did they do? They created a bit more flexibility, so you can actually decide a bit better your schedule. So right now, when you open Oculus Move, you're going to be prompted to select how many days you want to work out per week, achieve your weekly goal with a new completely redesigned Move calendar. And the last thing on the Move update is going to be a bit more social because you're going to be able to show up your workouts with friends and share on socials directly from the app to Facebook, including groups, Messenger, and your timelines. And that's it. So let's get to the second thing that is actually gifting. As you might know, they introduced gifting a while back, the ability to gift games to friends, of course, and now they made it a bit easier. Before, we always had to go through the browser to actually gift a game to somebody, and now it's integrated directly in the store. So when you're there, you can just select it, decide your friends you want to gift or thing too, and yeah, if you want to play Population 1 with somebody else, well, you can just invite him, get him the game, and play together. And that's pretty nice. If you are a nice person, that is for you. The other update is that the one on the People Hub, you're going to be able to find right now not just the chat on Oculus, but also the chat on Facebook, and both are going to live together. So you're going to have Messenger and actual chat in Oculus at the same time. If you have a friend and you want to message there or on the other, it doesn't really matter. You're going to be able to reach it anytime without switching panels. The nice thing is that you don't have to worry about your Oculus friends seeing your Facebook profiles because those are completely distinct anyway, but they're gonna live together at the same time. That means if someone messages you via Oculus, well, it's never gonna see your Facebook profile, but just the Oculus profile, and vice versa, of course. So it's very nice that they're keeping this distinction, and I hope they're gonna keep it also in the future. Right, Oculus? Right, Facebook? But now let's get to the most interesting part of this update, that is syncing your VR media also on the phone. Because yes, before to share it, it was a bit clunky because we had to use the file explorer in the Oculus Quest software. That is not the best, of course, even if it's a new updated one. And so, well, they made it a bit easier and a bit more similar to what we have of any other console on the market, like the Xbox with Xbox Share or PlayStation Share. It's the fact that when you record something and you have it on your headset, well, it's going to be shared and synced directly also with your Oculus app on your phone. To do that, you simply open the Files app from your Oculus Quest app library and select the cloud icon in the top right corner of the panel. So then if you want to share it, just tap the share button and, well, your Android or your iPhone menu is going to come up and you're going to be able to share with any application you want. The particular thing, though, is those files are not going to stay in the cloud forever. After 14 days, well, they're going to delete it from the cloud. But, of course, if they are on your headset, they're going to stay on your headset. Nobody's going to touch them. So, well, if you want to share something, just don't wait too long, because if not, you have to do it in the old-fashioned way. And, yeah, this is bits easier. But yeah, here you have it, guys. This was update 32 for the Oculus Quest 2. I think that is a nice update, nothing special, but yeah, the syncing capabilities and the workout capabilities are very nice if, of course, you do workout or usually share clips with your friends. Right now, it's going to be much easier and also a great marketing for them to have the ability of people to share clips in an easier way because, yeah, create more awareness and stuff. So far as all, this was the update. What do you like to see in the next updates for the Oculus Quest? For example, the Move changes that they did were prompted by the community. So if you're interested in new updates and stuff, just leave a comment below, share what you want to see in the future to be fixed or changed. And yeah, they're listening. So maybe we're gonna get something better. Anyway, guys, as always, if you like the video, like. If you didn't like the video, dislike. Subscribe to the channel for more VR tech. And if you really love the channel, there's a join button down there. Little further, also the Patreon. Thanks to all of them for the support, of course, who joined the channel. And the patrons has been a lot in this period. And yeah, I'm still waiting for my stuff. It's not gonna arrive anytime soon, I guess. The 28th should arrive to the port. And then there's the border patrol stuff. Long stuff, disgusting, but hopefully we're gonna get a decent studio soon. For now, the audio is good, so, well, I can't really complain much. It's just a bit hard to make videos without all my stuff, because, yeah, it is what it is, though. So, here we are, making what we can. I actually received something. Hold on. Ta-da! We're gonna do something on video. I don't know. Let me know what you want to see. And yeah, I'm super excited. Actually, I was a kind of when I actually grabbed it, I was a bit woo, because it felt more than what I thought. But anyway. But anyway, about the content lately, I'm doing a bit more of the Oculus stuff. And I know that is not what this channel is all about, of course. I have also the HP Reverb G2 Omnicept Edition at home that I still have to review, the X-Style 8K that I still have to review. I'm working on it right in this period, by the way. But yeah, my only headset is the Oculus Quest 2 over here, because all the rest is to arrive with the ship that was shipped from the United States. So it's gonna take a bit more to get back to the usual schedule and stuff, but I'm doing what I can, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, because these videos don't take 2 seconds to make. There's a lot of editing and stuff, and yeah, I'm really doing the best I can. But anyway, I talked too long after the closing stuff, so yeah, like, dislike, subscribe. See you guys next video. Thanks for watching. Ciao.